Well, I know a lot of people have questions about premises liability, so let's go ahead and take another question. This call is from Rosemary.
Okay, I was staying with my husband at the hospital. He was dying, and I went to get out of the chair that the hospital had furnished me to sleep in, and it was faulty, and I fell and fractured my femur, and I've had to have surgery, got a steel rod down my leg, and I've been in therapy since April for this. And I was just wondering if there was any case that we could bring against the hospital.
So she was injured in the hospital. This sounds kind of like an interesting case. What does she need to do?
Yeah, well, and first and foremost, I'm sorry for both the situation your husband's in and that you're in. You know, when I hear the word hospital, my first thought is this a possible tort claim case, right? And what I mean by that is some hospitals in the state are state-funded or state-affiliated hospitals. Those hospitals would fall under the Tort Claim Act. So depending on what hospital this happened at, it could be as short as 1 year of a statute of limitations. Now, speaking about kind of, you know, the broken chair, I've handled cases like this in the past. Broken chair cases are things we've seen. It's going to come down to notice, right? Did the hospital or whoever was responsible for the maintenance of the chair, did they have notice of this dangerous condition, right? How did the chair break? Is it a possible products liability case? Was the chair manufactured improperly? So these are all things that we think about when we hear cases like this. And you know, as lawyers say, it depends, right? There's a lot of facts we don't know from her call, but I would recommend calling a lawyer, especially, it sounds like this may have happened a while ago, and if this hospital is a state hospital, your statute clock is ticking, so I would call somebody as soon as you can.
Great advice for her there.